What's good, YouTube? Back again with another live stream just a little bit later. Chilling out, seeing how everybody's doing, what the energy's like out there. Friday night, maybe you might be out partying. Maybe I should have went live earlier. But I know we got people watching from around the world in just different areas, and there are people who are up too. I'm not the only one up right now. So shout out to anybody who comes through for however long you're here for. Busy day for me in the sense of my plans got kind of totally rearranged, but it is what it is. You got to roll with the punches. Maybe that's why. A lot of my gear is older. That's why it does need to be revamped. You know what I mean? So I do apologize. Big shout out to everybody here. Ada, Grizz on Grind, what's going on with you, bro? Oscar, was good? Carlitos, what's going on? Yeah, so, you know, we just chilling out, bro. Just few things, of course. You know, the Kyrie situation, we've seen it. It's unfolded. It's happened. He's wearing his shoes with either X's on top of the Nike or, you know, the I'm free now, you know what I mean? And he's happy to be. Like I said, it was pretty much a mutual thing, even though Nike kind of made it seem like they were just dumping him and he couldn't come back. When they build up something, a hype for something to drop before it even gets an image, I think that kind of hurts the shoe. They're really trying to make Ja that guy, which he's great on the court, you know. You can't replicate what Nike and Kyrie did. You just can't. You can't redo that. You can't replace that like that. I'm not just saying that because, you know, I'm biased to it. You can't. The shoes was fire. Like, you could go to non-Kyrie collectors and stuff. Like, I was wearing my Kyrie little 5 the other day. I got stopped by like a random dude at the same place I was getting my food from. He just like, man, those are dope. Those are really cool in person. It was like an older guy. It's like, it's just amazing, you know, his shoes. And for me, like buying for my kids, like they were a great price point. They look good. They had collaborations. Like, this is like somebody who said he's not a sneakerhead, but it's his kids like the shoes. You know, it affects a lot of people for the basketball world. You know, it was a great shoe to buy. It was good on court. It was affordable for the parents because, like I said, everybody else is like 150 and above. You know, you got the Freak trying to slide in there, a little lower than that. You got the PG6s as far as Nike basketball or signature shoes. Shout out to Eric sliding in here. Steph's what it do? What's going on with you, bro? Focus Daily, what's going on with you? Just chilling out, grinding as always. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's interesting to see because it does affect a lot of things. Now there are still sneakers that are gonna, you know, the previous shoes for sure are gonna be released. You just gotta go to the outlets and like some stores are still selling the current Kyries. But if you guys watch one of my recent videos, I did a trilogy for the Jordan 11 raffle, which we'll talk about a little bit later. The Jordan 11 cherry raffle. In the third part, I went to one particular finish line or champ finish line, and they had a sign behind the counter that said "Don't sell Kyries," and it had like a bunch of Kyries just behind the counter. So like that's a store that like took them off and put them on there. That was just weird to see. Like, what the hell? But then, you know, they are popping at the outlet heavily discounted. So if you're trying to grab some, you can. And they do have some sizes left on certain Kyries on Nike.com. All that stuff is heavily discounted. Richie Rich, what it do, my guy? What's going on? You definitely can't remake history. Too much dope collabs, too many dope shoes in itself. You know what I mean? You know, which is interesting if they're gonna take this Kyrie 8 and take off his logos and resell them. I mean, they still are a nice looking shoe, and people know that they're Kyrie. So I wonder how that would look if they actually would do that. You know, but yeah, Steph's can't do this. if you're ordering large venti waters at Starbucks, it's just iffy, bro. It's just not. I mean, I've seen them go right to the tap and fill it up. So I don't know if people thinking they're ordering a venti water from Starbucks and thinking they're getting like purified water. They're getting faucet water. I just think that sounds weird, bro. Oh, we might have an unboxing right now, y'all. We might have an unboxing, y'all. We might have oh, see, as soon as I click something. Yeah, I remember a few minutes ago I had got this notification that something came in the mail today. So let's go ahead and check this out. The box is super easy to open up, first of all. The box is like if somebody looked in here, it just opened up so easy. I don't know what kind of boxes they're using now, but this thing was super easy. You already know what this is. You know the box. Yes, indeed. It came in the mail. Like I said, you know, about copping shoes and stuff like that. But you know, this wasn't retail, under retail. It was a steal. If somebody find these, oh, because the Kyrie Low 5, the colorway that I say is like it's a concept colorway. Somebody shout out to what's his name? Damn, I'm gonna forget. He's on YouTube. He's a reseller. eBay Poshman. He has a video on YouTube going to Ross, and this guy found 4 pair of this shoe for $39. $39 for this one. This is the type of shit I'm talking about. I go buy them for 110. Somebody go find them for $35 next week. That's why I'm falling back from buying things for retail. This just happened again. So then I seen these online. Sorry, give me though. So I grabbed them because they were under retail. Fire colorway, probably to me one of the best colorways of the Low 5 besides the one I just showed you. I think this is my second favorite beside. No, it's this one, the this colorway, and then you have the community Kyrie Low 5. That's the other best one. So those two are top 1 and 2, or those are just the top in the top 3, whatever order you want to go to. That's 1, that's 2, and this is 3. Mine finally came today, boy. Yes, sir. The Kyrie Low 5 Jewel Lord. Let me just get the other one out real quick. So y'all can see. They were what, $69 Nike.com. Yeah, no, we're not playing with these. We're not playing with these. Now, the one thing I'm disappointed about, but I'm not tripping because I can still rock with it, but I'm about to find out what's the next best step, because when I was on the website, they had no size 13s. They only had a 14. You know, I have a 13 already. It fits cool. It's kind of snug, but it's cool. So I figured a 14 would be no problem. So then I bought the 14. But then next thing I saw, I like went to refresh and I told somebody else they were there. All of a sudden the 13 is available. After I bought the 14, I'm like, wait a minute. I wanted a size 13, really, but why? So I'm like, what do I do there? But I mean, I still grab this. If I can go to like Dick's Sporting Goods or somewhere else, they let me switch for a 13, I'll do that. But yeah, this is something I had to grab because, especially them making the announcement. I do like the Kyrie Low 5. I have one already that I bought, but I wanted to have one of the fire colorways. This one and the other two I just showed y'all, to me, are the top 3 Kyrie Low 5s. They're not gonna be no more colorways. So those are the best ones. And $69 for this. So yeah, I had to grab it, bro. This one right here is fire. One of the best colorways. Review coming on the channel soon. I got a lot of sneaker reviews coming up too that we'll be banging out before the year is up. But yeah, if I'm able to get that size 13, I'm gonna do it. If not, I'm gonna just say this. But yeah, we had to. The detail, you know him in the details, bro. Look at that. Who else? Nobody else shoes. Nobody else shoes come like this with like colors and design. Nobody else. Jordan just comes with some cool colorways. It's just flat colorways, no extra. You know what I mean? Come on, man, dude. They dropped the ball. They dropped the ball, bro. Only whichever one I like. Not all of them. Only the ones I like. There's a couple infinity colorways that I was waiting for that I you know, there's like 1 or 2 left that I want. There's a lot of them out there, but there's only 1 or 2 more that I really want for myself. Yeah, why not? There's no more of them. So what else are you gonna do? Let them sit there? No, of course. If I can find the ones that I want, especially for the low, I want to grab my Kyrie. That's what I've been doing. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, absolutely. Every one that I could find, every one that I could find in my size, man. Because people are scooping them up for the same, you know, for the resale purposes too, which I don't blame them, because they're either collector's items or resale items later on, longer and longer, where you can't get them. You know, there's already people paying for them at the higher price, which I don't want to do. I'm not going to do, unless it's like a PE or something like that. But I'm cool. crazy though. Very happy to have this second Kyrie Low 5 in the collection. We got the goal to get 1 or 2 more. We're gonna see how that goes, but crazy, bro. And like I said, I saw the email maybe a little bit before I got online, and I totally forgot about it until right now when I seen I don't know what it was that made me see the Kyrie Low 5, and then I was like, oh shit, I think I do have some. I might have some at the door. Even the insole is crazy. I'm trying to see if I can take it out. It's too glued in there. When my insoles are really, really glued in like that, I don't really like taking them off because I just don't like to. But I'll do it. No, this shit's really in there though. See, no, I'm not gonna do it. The insole is crazy, but I'll do a review so y'all can see it. But they got like designs in there too. The same thing that's over here. It's like some whole other design on here. They killed it, bro. They really messed up. They dropped the ball letting that happen. But that is what it is, bro. Like I said, everything that's good comes to an end at some point. But yeah, the ones I can find for the low, I'm gonna grab it. You know, I try to pull a fast one, but not really, because in my video that I showed too, like what they'll do at Foot Lockers and stuff, if you find a Kyrie or you find another shoe at another location with a sales tag or cheaper, if it's in the same vicinity like a flex store, they'll price match it. You know, they'll call the store, you guys got them for this price, okay, cool, and then you'll get them for that price. So I remember when that was like a little while ago when the Kyrie's, like, it was actually November 8th and 9th. They had all the Kyries on sale for $59. It was like